guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to be sharing a shop with me vlog, but I thought I would just like take you guys along with me because there's a few things I wanted to check out and maybe pick up. I definitely want to run to Nordstrom and a few other stores and Loft and maybe like Free People, Anthropologie, I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm going to the King of Prussia Mall. Comment below if you've ever been to the King of Prussia Mall before because it is so good. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys a quick outfit of the day. So here's what I'm wearing. I got this pink like eyelet top on. It's under $20 and it comes in like 3 colors, which is really nice. It came in I think black and white, I want to say. And then I have on my A Goldie denim shorts. They're just like my go-to. I did buy another pair of the A Goldie and they're just going to be coming in the mail soon, so I'm really excited about them. And then I'm going to be wearing, I decided on my pearl slides today because they're really comfy and I think they go with the outfit really well. And now I have to pick out a handbag. For a handbag, I was thinking between this one and this one. But I think I'm actually gonna go with this one because my top is a little bit like warmer toned and I think this would like really complement it, like really nice. So, is that a mark? No, that's like a fuzz. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this bag. So now I have to transfer everything over from my Neverfull into this bag now. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna head out. So I just made it to the mall. I think I'm gonna stop at Urban Outfitters first. I definitely wanna check out some, whoa, the lighting. I definitely wanna check out some new things there. And then I definitely also wanna stop at Nordstrom. There's a bag I wanna look at there, so I'm gonna try that one. Sorry, the lighting just keeps like going in and out. But there's a bag that I wanna check out and try on there, and we'll see where else we end up, so let's go. So I already have this top in white, but here it is in navy and it looks so cute. We should start living now. This dress is so comfortable and it comes I think in black too, so it's a really nice fabric. I definitely love this one. To believe it, that we can make the sun come out, let us lose ourselves in a fairy. They have these basic tanks and I just paired it with these shorts, which are so adorable, and these come in like a bunch of colors too. Who can say what's wrong or right? So I just came out of Loft. I'm on my way to Urban Outfitters. I went to actually go buy a bunch of stuff there because there's such cute stuff. It ended up not being on sale, so I think I'm just gonna wait on that until they go on sale because there's such cute things. So I definitely want to, you know, wait till they go on sale. But as you guys saw, that tank dress was so comfortable, so I definitely want to grab that when it goes on sale online. Okay, so I'm really liking these shorts. They fit so well. They're so cute. And they look like perfect with this top. And I did size up. I got the 26. Yeah. Oh my goodness, these shorts are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. I have it paired with the same top. Okay, I am obsessed with these, and these are so on trend.
Fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna.
Okay, this top is so gorgeous. I absolutely love this one. And the tie is so cute.
I'm on my way now.
So I stopped for some lunch, Chick-fil-A. You guys have to tell me your go-to Chick-fil-A order because I feel like I get the same thing every single time. The chicken sandwich, and then I got a lemonade. So good.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way.
Okay, so it is a few days later. I realized I did not finish the vlog, but it's good because I actually want to show you guys a new handbag reveal. But I do want to say that I did not end up really getting too much from the mall because a lot of the stuff either A, was not on sale that I really liked, and like say stores like ABERCROMBIE and Loft, they always like run sales. So it was like, I was there on a Thursday, so that's probably why it was before the weekend. So usually they run sales on weekends. So and I feel like they're always running a sale, so it was like kind of odd. But I ended up that weekend placing an order at Loft, and I placed an order on ABERCROMBIE. You guys saw the stuff I tried on, it was so good. So everything that I made little overlays as you saw, and I said what I ordered online. So I thought I'd just share what came in the mail, because when I was in Nordstrom shopping around, this was the last time I was in King of Prussia Mall. So last time I went to the mall, I saw a YSL bag and I really loved it. I'm like, that's gonna be on my list, but I was like, I'm gonna wait, maybe like fall time I would get it. So when you guys saw I was there the other day, the sales associate said they like completely sold out of it in store. So I looked online and it's finally available online, and I'm really excited. So I thought I'd unbox it together. It's a YSL bag and I ordered from Nordstrom online. I just took the only thing I did with this box is take the address label off. So I'm gonna peel this tape off. I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting to do this. Okay, so it's basically like a box inside of a box. Okay, it's open. It's really well packaged. Okay, so I'm really excited. I think this is gonna be a great all year round bag, but I feel like, especially for fall, this is like what I was really thinking of, because it's a little bit more warmer toned. So here it is. It has like some of the packaging on it, but here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let me take this off. So here's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And I love, this is called, I think this is nude. I don't even know, is there a name on this? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like in this gorgeous nude color with the antique gold hardware. It is so pretty, and I feel like the shade of nude is definitely a lot different than you know, my Gucci bag, which is nude. There's like all packaging in here, but thought I'd just give you guys a quick overview. But I'll definitely do a what's in my bag if you guys want to see it. So comment below if you want to see a what's in my bag or like a little mini bag review. So here's what it looks like with the chain detail. You could wear it kind of like over your shoulder like this, or you could even just wear it like this, which I also love. Oh my gosh, I'm totally loving this. Definitely wanted to share because I always find these types of videos really fun and interesting. So yes, let me know if you want to see a little what's in my bag, because it's been some time since I've done one on my channel. I'll have the direct link to this bag in the description box, along with everything that I like tried on in order, because the stuff I tried on was seriously, you guys, so cute. Like Abercrombie especially there's so many really cute things. That loft dress, that's the one thing I want to order but did not order yet because it wasn't on sale like when I placed my last order. Hopefully it's on sale when I upload this. It should be, because I feel like it's been some time. I just got an email saying that I have like a pre-sale for 40% off, so it should be, hopefully, fingers crossed, 40% off when you guys see it, because that t-shirt, or it was a tank dress, seriously so comfortable. Like I am definitely, if they had other colors, I definitely want to look into the other colors, because it was not clingy, it was just really soft. I feel like it's one of those like great summer dresses to have in your wardrobe. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know which outfit was your favorite that I tried on, or if you try anything out from my video. You could always use the hashtag inspired by Karen. I'll have it listed here, and definitely post your pictures on my Instagram. Send me pictures, like I repost on my Instagram stories. Definitely give this video a like if you like the vlog, because if you guys like vlogs like this, I'll definitely do them more often. I think they're really fun to film. It's something a little bit different. So let me know what you think, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye. Start living now.